Hi guys, Richard at Orange Campers, and we've got another medium wheelbase just rolling off of production, going out Monday, this one. And as you can see, beautiful stunning van in silver, gorgeous colour, and this one's got a denim blue canvas and a black awning, which really sets it off. You can choose between the awning, silver, black, and like I say, you can choose the canvases for the roof tent as well. Stunning van, extra wide step on this one as well, and as you can see inside, they've been very bold and gone for a beautiful, really light material, which is really nice. Stunning fabric, and it is very hard wearing. You might think, oh, I don't know if I'd do that, but it is a stunning fabric, very nice, hard wearing, and it wipes clean with warm water. And you can put covers on as well, but it is lovely. You can see the detail around the handles, you know, really nice fetching material. These seats, headrests come up and make into single beds as well. And as you can see, we've got a nice cashmere wood colour, and this is smoke blue, I believe, as well. So we've got smoke blue, misty blue, sorry, correct, I've been corrected there. Misty blue, this one, really nice. I love blues, typical man. Blue and greys, that's me, stunning colour. And as you can see, everything the medium wheelbase has got what really works well. Big galley kitchen, big fridge, and oven grill as well. 3 rings, wireless charger in this one, and nice big sink as well. So if you've not seen one of these medium wheelbases before, it just works. It really does, and it's a beautiful colour combination. We put these little catches in, so when you are driving, you don't get those annoying rattles and things. And also, when you open the door, there's somewhere to pin it down to, because you might want to leave the door wide open and use the bathroom as it is, or you can put the shelf across there, and you can sit there while you're making dinner. You can use it for storage and just leave it open, you know, so you don't have to have the bathroom shut. Lots of cupboard space. These will take a full-size dinner plate, as you know. And then we've got the roof bed above here, and sorry if I move out of the way, you can see it's a really good generous height. And let me pull it down for you, and it just flops down really effortlessly. The ladder up there, you've got a ladder to get up and down. Nice generous space. You've got a safety, kid safety net as well. And under this one, let me lift it up for you. So if it just shows you there, you've got a pocket springs in this one. So you actually climb up there, and as adults, a couple of adults up there, be amazingly comfy underneath. You've got a mattress plus pocket springs. So that'd be lovely and comfy. And then when you want to push it up, just give it a little push, and it just pushes up really easily. The gas rams take it away. And like I say, if you've not seen these vans before, this is our latest roof bed design, and it's unique to us, and it works really well because it gives you a flat roof above your head with a central light, and it just works. The fact that if you have it tilted up, obviously you can't get up there to push things up, so we've started doing it this way, and you can put storage things up there. So while it's while the roof's up and you're not, you're using your van, you can throw your chairs up there, other bits of storage, and it's a really generous height. I mean, I'm 6'6", but I can still stand up. Not quite, about 5'10", so I've still got plenty of head height above my head, you know. So lots of nice features in these vans, and like I say, this is a full scenic zip out tent as well. So if you like what you see, like I say, check out our other videos, and you come see us at the show, drop us a message, or come through and see us at the workshop in Rotherham, and we'll always be glad to see you. But check out the website for the show dates, see if we're coming somewhere near you, and that'd be great. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, etc. Check out the website for further details.